video about MS Word shortcut keys. Let's we start shortcut keys and their usage. First shortcut key Ctrl plus A. It is used for select all contents of document. Ctrl plus B bold highlighted text. Ctrl plus C copy selected text. Ctrl plus T open font formatting window. Ctrl plus E center alignment. Ctrl plus F find text in the current document. Ctrl plus G go to. Ctrl plus H find and replace. Ctrl plus I italicize the highlighted selection. Ctrl plus J justify paragraph alignment. Ctrl plus K insert a link. Ctrl plus L left alignment. Ctrl plus M indent the paragraph. Ctrl plus N create a new document. Ctrl plus O open an existing document. Ctrl plus P open the print window. Ctrl plus Q or align selected paragraph to the left. Ctrl plus R right alignment. Ctrl plus S save document. Ctrl plus T hanging indent. Ctrl plus U underline the text. Ctrl plus V paste the selected text. Ctrl plus W close the current document. Ctrl plus X cut selected text. Ctrl plus Y redo the last action. Ctrl plus Z undo the last action. Shift plus insert paste. Ctrl plus Shift plus asterisk view or hide non-printing characters. Ctrl plus left arrow it is used for move one word to the left. Ctrl plus right arrow move one word to the right. Ctrl plus up arrow move to the beginning of the line or paragraph. Ctrl plus down arrow move to the end of the paragraph. Ctrl plus delete the word to the right of the cursor. Ctrl plus backspace delete the word to the left of the cursor. Ctrl plus end move cursor to the end of the document. Ctrl plus home move the cursor to the beginning of the document. Ctrl plus space reset highlighted text to the default font. Ctrl plus 1 add single space line. Ctrl plus 2 add double space lines. Ctrl plus 5 add 1.5 line spacing. Ctrl plus Alt plus 1 change text to heading 1. Ctrl plus Alt plus 2 change text to heading 2. Ctrl plus Alt plus 3 change text to heading 3. Alt plus Shift plus T insert the current date. Alt plus Shift plus T insert the current time. Shift plus F3 change case of selected text. Ctrl plus equal to set chosen text as a subscript. Ctrl plus Shift plus equal to set chosen text as a superscript. Ctrl plus Shift plus C copy format. Ctrl plus Shift plus T double underline text. Ctrl plus Shift plus E track changes. Ctrl plus Shift plus F change the font. Ctrl plus Shift plus H apply hidden text formatting. Ctrl plus Shift plus K format letter as small capitals. Ctrl plus Shift plus L apply the list style. Ctrl plus Shift plus M remove a paragraph indent from the left. Ctrl plus Shift plus N apply the normal style. Ctrl plus Shift plus P change the font size. Ctrl plus Shift plus Q change the selection to the symbol font. Ctrl plus Shift plus S apply a style. Ctrl plus Shift plus T reduce a hanging indent. Ctrl plus Shift plus V paste formats. Ctrl plus Shift plus W underline words but not spaces.
Guys, if you liked this video, then please like, comment and share this video as much as possible. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.